If you're aiming to master the art of value investing and unlock the secrets that have guided some of the world's greatest investors, you're in the right place. Value investing isn't just a strategy, it's a philosophy, a disciplined approach that focuses on building long-term wealth rather than chasing quick gains. Whether you're just beginning your investing journey or you're an experienced investor looking to deepen your understanding, the right books can serve as your compass, guiding you through the complexities of the stock market. Let's explore 5 classic books that have become essential reading for anyone serious about value investing. These books have stood the test of time, offering insights that are as relevant today as when they were first published. By delving into these works, you'll learn the core principles of value investing, discover how to identify undervalued stocks, and understand why patience, discipline, and thorough research matter more than the latest market hype. Let's begin with the cornerstone of value investing, a book that Warren Buffett himself has called by far the best book on investing ever written, The Intelligent Investor by Benjamin Graham. First published in 1949, The Intelligent Investor set the foundation for modern value investing. Graham, often regarded as the father of value investing, lays out timeless principles that emphasize the importance of analyzing the underlying value of a company, rather than being swayed by market sentiment. In The Intelligent Investor, Graham introduces the concept of Mr. Market, an allegorical figure representing the irrational and often emotional fluctuations of the stock market. He urges investors to treat stocks as ownership in real businesses, not just pieces of paper to be traded for quick profits. Graham's distinction between investment and speculation is crucial. While speculation chases trends and rumors, true investment is based on careful analysis and a margin of safety. A key takeaway from this book is the idea of intrinsic value, the real, underlying worth of a business, which may differ significantly from its current market price. By focusing on buying stocks when they are trading below their intrinsic value, investors can protect themselves from significant losses and increase their chances of long-term gain. Graham also stresses the importance of temperament. Successful investors are patient, disciplined, and immune to market hysteria. Moving deeper into the mechanics of value investing, we come to Security Analysis by Benjamin Graham and David Dodd. First published in 1934, this book is considered the Bible for professional investors and analysts. While The Intelligent Investor is aimed at the general public, Security Analysis offers a more technical and comprehensive exploration of how to assess the true worth of securities. Graham and Dodd lay out a rigorous framework for analyzing financial statements, understanding balance sheets, income statements, and cash flows, and evaluating the qualitative aspects of a business. The book introduces the concept of margin of safety, the practice of buying securities at prices significantly below their calculated intrinsic value to minimize risk. This principle is the bedrock of value investing and has guided generations of investors, including Warren Buffett and Charlie Munger. Security Analysis teaches readers to dig beneath the surface, to look beyond short-term earnings and market trends, and to focus on the underlying economics of a business. The authors show how to identify undervalued stocks by scrutinizing factors such as assets, liabilities, earnings power, and competitive positioning. While the book is more demanding than others on this list, its lessons are invaluable for anyone serious about making informed, rational investing decisions. While Graham and Dodd focus heavily on quantitative analysis, Philip Fisher's Common Stocks and Uncommon Profits brings a complementary perspective to the table. First published in 1958, this book introduces the power of qualitative research, the art of understanding the intangible factors that drive a company's long-term success. Fisher emphasizes the importance of scuttlebutt investing, which involves gathering information from a wide range of sources, such as suppliers, customers, employees, and competitors, to gain a 360-degree view of a company's prospects. He identifies 15 key points to look for in a company, ranging from the quality of management and research and development capabilities to sales organization and profit margins. A major insight from Fisher's work is that great investments aren't always found in the numbers alone. The culture of a company, the vision of its leaders, and its ability to innovate can be decisive factors in its growth and resilience. Fisher's approach encourages investors to look for companies with strong competitive advantages, what Warren Buffett later called economic moats, that can sustain profits over the long haul. If you're seeking strategies that uncover hidden opportunities where others aren't looking, you can be a stock market genius. By Joel Greenblatt is a must-read. Despite its playful title, this book dives deep into special situations, unique market events that create temporary mispricings and opportunities for outsized returns. Greenblatt demystifies complex topics such as spin-offs, mergers, restructurings, and bankruptcies, showing how savvy investors can capitalize on these events by doing their homework. The book is filled with real-world examples and practical advice, making it accessible even to readers without a background in finance. One of Greenblatt's key messages is that the stock market is not always efficient. Periods of chaos, confusion, or neglect can create windows where patient, informed investors can buy high-quality assets at bargain prices. By learning to recognize these situations and acting with discipline, investors can achieve results that far outpace the broader market. Finally, for those seeking a simple, rule-based approach to value investing, The Little Book That Beats the Market by Joel Greenblatt offers a practical solution. This book distills the lessons of value investing into a straightforward formula, what Greenblatt calls the magic formula, that combines two key criteria: buying good companies at bargain prices. Greenblatt's magic formula ranks companies based on two metrics: return on capital, a measure of how efficiently a company generates profits from its assets, and earnings yield, a valuation metric similar to the inverse of the price-to-earnings ratio. By systematically investing in companies that score highly on both measures, investors can tilt the odds in their favor over the long term. The Little Book is engaging, easy to read, and full of humor, making it an excellent starting point for beginners. It demonstrates that successful investing doesn't require genius or complex strategies, just a commitment to disciplined, evidence-based decision-making. Greenblatt's approach reinforces the central lesson of value investing. Patience, consistency, and a willingness to go against the crowd are your greatest allies. What ties these 5 books together is a shared commitment to the principles of value investing: patience, discipline, and independent thinking. They teach us to ignore the noise, focus on what truly matters, and treat every investment as a thoughtful decision, not a gamble. They remind us that the greatest investors, people like Warren Buffett, Charlie Munger, and Seth Klarman, built their fortunes on these very principles. So, how can you apply the wisdom from these books to your own investing journey? Start by adopting a long-term perspective. Don't be swayed by daily market fluctuations or sensational headlines. Instead, focus on understanding the businesses behind the stocks, analyzing their financial health, competitive advantages, and growth prospects. Commit to continuous learning. The stock market is always evolving, and the best investors are lifelong students. Use these books as a starting point, but don't stop there. Keep reading, keep questioning, and keep refining your approach. And remember, value investing isn't about finding the next hot stock or making a quick fortune. It's about building sustainable wealth over time by making intelligent, informed decisions. It's about having the discipline to buy when others are fearful, to hold when others are impatient, and to sell when others are greedy. Whether you're new to investing or a seasoned pro, these 5 books offer a roadmap to financial mastery. They provide the tools, frameworks, and mindset needed to navigate the ups and downs of the market with confidence and clarity. Begin your journey today by picking up one or all of these timeless classics. Let the wisdom of Benjamin Graham, David Dodd, Philip Fisher, and Joel Greenblatt guide you towards smarter choices, greater financial literacy, and the kind of long-term success that stands the test of time. The world of value investing awaits, and with the right knowledge, you're already on your way.